So here I have two data frame. This is the first data frame with two records. It has two columns, ID and name. And this is second data frame. It also has two columns, ID and name, and two records. Now we need to combine these two data frame into a single data frame. So here I am inside my Databricks account. This is the first data frame 1, df1, and we have two records here. This is second data frame, and we also have two records here. We are using union to combine this df1 and df2 into a new data frame df3. Okay, so here is the result. This is the first data frame. This is second data frame. And this is merged data frame. Let's take another scenario. In this scenario, we need to combine two data frames with different number of columns. In the first data frame, we have two columns, ID and name. In the second data frame, we have three columns, ID, name, and salary. Now we need to combine these two data frames. Note that in the combined data frame, the values for salary column are null for the first data frame because there is no salary column. Let's go to the notebook. So this is the code. This is the first data frame, similar to the previous example. This is second data frame with three columns, ID, name, and salary. Here we are adding a new column, salary, for the first data frame. Because there is no salary column. And then we are using union. Okay, so I need to import the click function. So this is the first data frame, and this is second data frame with salary column, and this is the combined data set. For the first data frame, the salary values are null. So we have added salary column in the first data frame so that we can use union with these two data frame. Let's take another example. Here we need to remove duplicates while merging two data frame. So here in the first data frame, we have three records. In the second data frame, we have two records. This record is common in both the data frame. While merging data frame, we don't want this record to be duplicated. Let's go to the notebook. So this is the code. This is the first data frame with three records. This is second data frame with two records. And these records are common in both the data frame. Now while using union, we can use distinct to remove duplicates. and using sort with ID column. Let's run this code. So here is the result. This is first data frame. This is second data frame. And these records are common in both the data frame. And in the combined data frame, we are getting unique records. So using distinct along with union, we can get unique records.